Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader. Yeah, you know how we do it here, and today I'm going to be showing you something interesting. Yeah, something interesting. I'm going to show you how to scalp any currency pair at all, any currency pair with 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. You can do this on any currency pair. When I mean any currency, you can just try it out and see how it works. Yeah, just using simple stuff. Just this strategy. I don't know. I want you to test it out and leave a comment how it works. I don't need to, talk more about this. Let me just start by also reminding you that I have a Telegram group. If you want to join, you join. The link will be in the description below. Then I have something I'll be dropping soon. So if you don't have time for trading, you don't have time to learn trading, but you just want to start making money, uh I will tell you, I'll still give you updates on how to, start making money, fund the account and start making money without learning anything. You don't even need to know anything about trading. So just stick around this channel. I have a lot of information to drop. Now the strategy is very simple. Now we are going to be using just two indicators. All right, we're going to be using just two indicators. These indicators will tell us when to buy and when to sell. This indicator is going to tell us our entry point and our exit point. So it's going to do the work for you. This is basically how to trade currency pair step by step for beginners. All right, so if you don't know much about trading, if you don't know anything about forex trading, yeah, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do it without knowing anything. Just know how to click that buy button and sell button and you are good to go. Now what you need to do, what you have to do is just come to this place. You have seen our indicator section. First of all, you need to add an indicator known as moving average stop. Okay, so you have to type moving average, sorry, moving average, moving average stop, moving average stop. Okay, so we are going to add this second one. You can see the second one here. Okay, moving average stop and reversal by massa. Okay, we are going to be adding this. That is MASAR. Then click on enter. Then the next thing we are going to add again, we are going to add another moving average, smooth moving average. So you come here and type in smooth. Okay, once you type in smooth, you scroll down, or what you need to do to make it faster, just type smooth moving average. So once you type smooth moving average, you scroll down to this one here. Okay, this one, yeah, that have three smooth moving average. Okay, three smooth moving average by Hamid Safi, also I don't know, Hamid Safi, I think. Then you click on it. Okay, so you are done. Just two moving averages. Now why this one automatically add two? Let me just do away with one. Okay, so these are two basic indicators you'll be adding for this. Okay, I told you you don't need to know anything about, you don't even need to know about the trend and every other stuff, though I advise you, after, you have to go and learn how to identify trend and how to learn at least few price action strategies. Okay, but here I'm teaching you how to trade without any knowledge at all in forex trading, just adding few indicators. Okay, because this indicator is going to help you to see the trend, also help you to know your entry point and your exit point. All right, so now I'm going to set up this indicator. So I will start with the second indicator I added, which is our smooth moving average, three smooth moving average. So first, here we are going to leave it at 60. Here, okay, we are going to change this to 21. Okay, just like short period support. Okay, now we are going to leave this one 50 and 100. So the first length is 21, second one is 50, third is 200. Okay, so now we are going to change the style, because if you look at these lines, they are very tiny, so I needed to increase it so that you will be able to see clearly. Okay, so now you go to the style, the blue, we are going to change, increase it to 100%. Okay, here we can make it go to second thickness. All right, then we go to the green, the same, just 100% second thickness. We go to the last one, the red, 100% second thickness. Then we click on OK. So I think it's better, it's more clearer now. So the next setup, we are going to set up our moving average stop. Okay, now the first input, we are going to leave it as 25. We come here, we have to increase this. Okay, it's already 100%. So what we need to do, we have to change the color to white. Okay, so that it will be visible, because we need that. That is the indicator that will be showing us our entry point and our exit point. Okay, it will help us. Now we go to the last thickness. Okay, this one, it will be very big. All right, so after that, we go to the second, change it to white also, then 100% and the last thickness. Okay, then after that you click on done. So we are done. So this is all you need, guys. This is all you need to start making money. It's that simple. So what we need to do, we can zoom in to see clearly what is happening. Okay, now if you scroll like this, I want to show you how to do this. I want to show you how to do this. Now the first moving average is showing us our entry and exit point. Okay, the second moving average, which is our 3 smooth moving average, is showing us the trend. They will show these moving averages. You can see that these are the blue, green, and red. Okay, that's the 3 smooth moving averages. So now we have this one as our exit signal and our entry signal. Okay, now let me show you how to trade this. Pay attention, I will show you how to trade this. Very simple, very simple, very simple. You can use this on any currency pair at all. So let me start from beginning, and let me start from currently what is happening here. Now if you look at this point, you discover that all our lines are below the chart. They are below the candlesticks. If I should zoom in, you can see that all these lines, both the moving averages, all of them, all the lines are below this chart. So we are buying. Okay, we are buying this currency pair. But remember, we are no longer going to enter this trade, because we have gone far. Okay, the price have gone far. Look at the point we're supposed to enter, and the question is how do you know that we are to enter here? First of all, you just need to wait and see all these 3 moving average, this 3 smooth moving average, move down below. As you can see, the moving average have been ranging or moving between these candlesticks. At this point, you can see the moving average moving. Then the first entry signal is when this price touches this line. Okay, when the price touches this line, which is our moving average stop. Okay, that is when you get ready. That is a sign. The same thing happened here. Just like this point is a kind of serving as support and resistance. Okay, this is a resistance, this is a support. Okay, if you don't know about support and resistance, don't worry about it. You can check my videos. I drop video on support and resistance. But this video, you don't even need to know anything about support and resistance. You just follow instruction, follow what I will tell you. The only thing is that I've already tested this thing. Now you just have to test those strategies out and make sure it's working, or yourself you have to do your own research. That's why they have demo account for you to test out any strategy you see online to ensure it's working and it suits your trading style. Okay, so now you can see here is the signal, okay, to enter a buy, but you are not buying yet. You need to confirm, you need to be more accurate. Here is a signal to sell, but we are not selling yet, because we need to make sure that all these lines, our 3 smooth moving average, are below the chart. So here at this point, you can see that all these moving averages, all of them are below. The red, the blue, the green, all of them are below the chart. All right, so once you see them below the chart, then look at this point. If you see this white line below the chart also, then click on that buy button and enjoy. So basically you need to see all the lines below the chart, the candlesticks. If all the lines, that's the blue, the green, and the red and white below this candlestick, like what happened here, you click the buy button. Okay, so you will not take profit, you keep riding the profit, you keep riding the profit, until you see this white line above here. So it's a kind of signal that you should take profit. So when the price will reverse, kind of about reversing to a downtrend, this white line will appear up there. Okay, the white line will appear up there for you to take profit. Okay, so that's why I said, whether you know how to trade or not, this is very simple stuff. You can backtest this thing and see that it works well. So these lines will help you know when to take profit and when to enter your trade. Okay, when to enter trade and when to take profit. So what is it that you need again? Once you see you have something that help you understand your entry point and your exit point, that is all about trading. Profitability in forex trading is about your entry and your exit. Okay, now let's shift back to backtest this thing for you to see how it works. Okay, now let's see another example. Okay, right here we have these lines going below here. Okay, but look at this point. Our blue and green crosses. Okay, now from here crosses above. Okay, we wait for our red to cross also. We look up and we discover that our white line is also above there. So we have the three lines above. So we could have entered and scalped this particular this trade right here. Okay, when our red crosses above the chart and we have other lines already above, so we could have scalped at this point. Okay, to this point. Are you with me now? Do you see how simple trading this? You just need to see all the lines above. Okay, you have to see all the lines above. So now if we should go back again, see what happened here. We see this as resistance. That's why you see this push down, this price pull back a bit down. But the pulling back, you discover that all these our lines have been ranging at this point. You can see we have our support right there. You can see how this line stops the price from breaking below that line. You can see this white line is serving as support right there. It starts as support here, and the price has been ranging between those candlesticks. But at this point, the lines successfully crosses below the chart. All right. Once they cross below the chart, you look down, you can see that our white line below the chart. Then you enter your trade. Okay, you enter a buy and you keep riding the profit until this white line appears. That's why I said you can see where you enter the trade. You entered after this crossing and you discover this white line. So you keep riding your profit until you can see there is no white line above here. You can see there's no white line. There is no white line until this white line appears here. At this point you take profit. Okay, because the price, the trend is about changing to a downtrend. Okay, these lines, these white lines, these two white lines below and above, they serve as support and resistance. Okay, the down one is the support, the up one is the resistance. Okay, they help you take profit on time and also enter the trade on time, confirm your entry point. All right, so this is basically how to scalp any pair at all. How to scalp any pair at all. It works in all the pairs. You can try it out and see with your demo to see how they work. Then if it works well for you, come back to this video, drop a comment. Then if you have any question at all, drop a comment below the description of this video, the comment section anyways. Then I will reply to your comment. Then if you have any question at all, any video I want me to create, or anything you want me to create, make a video for or about, then I will do it for you. Alright, so this is basically how to scalp any currency pair. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video already, please consider subscribing to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please help me grow this channel by subscribing, share this video also, and stick around this channel. I'll get back to you with another amazing content here on YouTube. I'll see you when I see you, guys. Bye for now.